Hey guys, today let's take a look at TOZO Crystal Pods earbuds, which features noise cancelling, 32 customizable EQ settings via the app, Bluetooth 5.4, fast charging, and more. Here's what's in the box: the user manual, extra ear tips in different sizes, the USB charging cable, and the crystal pods in their beautiful crystal case. The transparent design gives it that crystal look, and it's aesthetically appealing. The feel and build quality is nice as well. They are also IPX5 water resistant with 38 decibel noise reduction with the noise cancelling feature. The case keeps the earbuds fully charged and you can enjoy up to 7 hours of playtime on a single charge. To pair them with your phone, turn on Bluetooth and remove the pods from the case to turn them on. Then find TOZO Crystal Pods and connect to them, and that's it. Simply tap the right or left pod once to pause and resume play. To move to the next song, double tap the right pod. To go back to the previous song, double tap the left pod. To turn them off, simply long press each pod for 5 seconds, and a red light will indicate shutdown. To turn them back on, press for 2 seconds and white and red lights will flash. Or simply put them back in the case and close the lid to turn them off, and open the case and remove them to turn them on. Now go to the Google Play Store and download the TOZO app. Create a free account using your email, and now you can add device to your app. Here you can see the battery levels of each pod and access features like noise cancellation on or off, transparency mode, which allows you to hear surrounding noise while the buds are in your ear, and other features. In custom, you can choose up to 32 different EQ settings and adjust them to your liking. The earbuds also have 4 built-in mics for crystal clear calling, so you can talk on the phone hands-free. You can reject calls or hang up by tapping the pod. For more information and details, please click on the link in the description below. They can be purchased at Amazon, and the link is an affiliate link which costs nothing more for you, but may help me earn a small commission to support my channel and to make more reviews and content like this. They are priced really well. TOZO continues to make some really good quality wireless earbuds. If you're in the market for wireless earbuds, check these crystal pods out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and if this video was helpful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, where I take a look at some translation earbuds which are trending these days.